Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. All right.
It's got 3 amps running back there, ultra cap powering it all.
Okay.
Pushing about 3,000 watts on the sub, and then I have 1,400 on the wall back there, and then the 2 speakers that are sitting on top are running about 200.
Okay.
So
nice. Did you do the install?
Yep.
Awesome. All right.
It was very last minute for this build.
Okay.
I blew everything very early.
Okay.
I think it was like a week before this event.
Yes, sir.
So this was all like done in like 2 days.
Okay.
But I got you.
It's all good. You got it. You got it planned. Nice. So, have you done any kind of so the truck? Okay, the seats are up. I thought the seats were blocked.
No.
Nice.
I kept it as factory as I could. This is running a factory alternator, factory head unit with an LC. The LC is converting everything to make it basically aftermarket.
Yes, sir.
But this is as factory as you can possibly get on
right.
a proper build.
Okay. And Ford Focus.
Yep.
All right. Do you know your box spec, like the tuning on it or anything?
Yes, it is hitting around. So my sweet spot is about 44 hertz on that box. Let me see if I can get.
Okay.
So I'll get you some bass.
All right. Did you do any SPL tests?
So my prior hitting to this build, I was pulling a 136. This build we're estimating is around a 138 to 200. Mids.
Okay. All right. So that was what frequency?
That was 40.
That's underpowered.
That hurts. That I am pushing, so that 14K sits there. It is that is a Pyle. The serial number is 272 on that Pyle.
Okay.
So that Pyle is about 40 years old. That amp
Wow.
that's back there. And it is not clamping anywhere near where it's supposed to.
Yes, sir.
So basically, this wall can handle double of what I'm sending to it.
Really? Okay.
So
power RMS wise.
It can get a lot louder than this.
Dang, that hurts.
This is just what I'm able to hold right now with the current build.
Yes, sir.
I have to source another amp somewhere along the
Appreciate
lines.
the demo, man.
No problem, man.
Nice to
Anytime.
meet you. You too, JacobViral. Appreciate the demo, man.
Got you, man.